Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to my banana and custard porridge recipe. So I'll talk you through what we're going to do. It's literally a 2-minute recipe. It's so quick. So I'm just weighing out my 40 grams of porridge oats, which is my healthy extra B choice for the day. And then I'm going to crack an egg into my mug. I've used quite a big mug because obviously I'm using a whole banana, so I want to make sure that it all fits in. So I'll pop that egg in, and then I've got my tablespoon ready, and I'm just going to take my Greek style fat-free yogurt, and I'm going to pop 2 tablespoons into the mixture. I do good sized tablespoons because I like it to be nice and thick and creamy. Make sure you get it all in there, guys. I couldn't decide where to put the spoon so that I didn't make a mess, and then I just decided there's nowhere I can put it to not make a mess. Lol. So then I've just taken my sweetener and I'm gonna pop that into the mug with the mixture as well. Now this is really just personal taste. I only put 1 teaspoon in. Oh, there's my daughter getting a breakfast. I only put 1 teaspoon in because obviously with the custard syrup, it's sweet enough anyway. So the Skinny Food Co custard syrup is 1 tablespoon for half a sim. I used 2 tablespoons because I did want that custard flavour to be like one of the main things coming through, and so it was just a 1 sin recipe for this morning. There's my son going in the fridge to get some pineapple for breakfast as well. And I make sure that I scrape in all of that syrup as well, because I definitely don't want to be losing out, particularly if I'm sinning this. And then it's time for the banana. So this banana needed using up. It was a little bit bruised in places, but as we all know, my toddler loves bananas and he also likes to just throw them around the house. So I end up with all the bruised bananas for myself. So I just sliced that up, and then when it's all sliced up, you basically just mix everything together. It does make a hot gooey mess. So we'll give it a really good stir. I did take my time with this bit because it's definitely worth it, making sure that all of the ingredients are mixed together really well, because the next thing that you're going to do is pop it into the microwave and then it's basically done. So just making sure that you get kind of all of the porridge oats in there so that they can soak up all of the custard syrup, mix it all really well with the egg and the yogurt, because if you do miss sort of pockets of the oats, it's just not very nice when it's actually finished cooking, and you just end up with like random dry areas. So it is definitely worth taking your time with this bit and just giving it a really good mix. As you can see, I'm definitely not losing any of my mixture here. I was very hungry this morning. Time for the microwave. And there's my lovely coffee next to it as well. So there it is in the microwave, and I'm just going to put it on for 1.5 minutes. Don't ask me what power level my microwave's on because I don't know, but it's an 800 watt microwave. So I'll put it on for 1.5 minutes and basically just sit and wait for it. I did actually sit and stare at it as well because I was just so hungry and I couldn't wait to eat it. I was really, really excited. And here's me with no eyebrows. The joys of not wearing makeup. Woo! So it's finished cooking and I was really excited to get it out. Look at that. That is just a mug full of amazingness. Guys, I don't even know what to tell ya. We are literally taking breakfast to a whole other level. I mean, look at it. Oh! So I did add in another tablespoon of yogurt and then there was some dregs in the bottom of the pot, so I just added those in as well for the extra goodness, and I mixed it all around, and this sort of cools it down a little bit as well, so it just makes it so it's absolutely perfectly ready to eat. So I mixed it all around and it was just incredible and I snaffled it immediately.